Hello there. So today we are going to see how to design a podcast to video template so that you can convert your audio podcast into shareable video bytes with dancing waves. Now you can share this on all the platforms, and in order to do that, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a template in square, horizontal and vertical format just once, and then you keep using the same template again and again for every single podcast that you release. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to recast.studio and log in. Then you have to just create a new project. Now, the first thing you need to do is add all the required elements to the project. You can add a background image that you want to use for your video template. You can easily replace this image later by using this replace button. It is also a good idea to upload rest of your brand assets like logo and other design elements. Now upload your audio track to the project. You will see this audio track on the timeline below. Just make sure that you extend the duration of all the other layers to match the duration of your track. Next, you can go to the top bar and select add elements and then select audio visualizer. Now that you have all the elements brought into the project, play around a bit and find the layout that works best for you. This is a one-time effort. Once you create a template that suits your brand, you can keep using it and reusing it for all your future podcast episodes. Use the styling options to design your audio visualizer. Give custom colors to your fonts and add shapes and other elements when required. Basically, just make it look pretty. Also, make sure that you have a call to action for your listeners so that they know what they need to do after they have listened to your podcast and where they can get more value from you. Recast Studio has a range of different audio visualizer designs. Make sure you explore them and see which one suits best for your template. You should also take this opportunity to tell your audience where they can listen to the complete podcast, like Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, Spotify Podcast, etc. Now, here is a quick tip. It is always a good idea to have a relevant title for your video about the topic that this video is about so that your audience will stop scrolling. Now, this is important because most of your audience is going to scroll in their feed with mute, right? The sound is not going to be on. And if you have a title, they will have a reason to stop and decide if they want to listen to the rest of the video or not. Now that you have the entire template ready for one dimension, it is time to convert them into horizontal as well as vertical formats. Now, the first thing you need to do is duplicate the project that you just designed and go inside the project. Now, click on the canvas size and choose the size that you want to design. For this case, I'm going to select horizontal format. As soon as you change the format, the positions of different elements will move, and you will just have to take around 2 to 5 minutes to rearrange all the elements based on the new canvas size. Now, once you're done with this, your horizontal template is ready, and you can use the same process for your vertical format. Once all your formats are done, then your template is done. Now, from the next time, if you want to use the same template for your future podcast, all you have to do is duplicate your existing template, replace the content, and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any doubts or questions, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. Thank you.